Good morning, students. Welcome back to the e-learning platform of the GS College of Commerce, Wardha. So today we will see our monetary economics become fourth sem, and in this particular subject we will discuss basically the third unit. Under the third unit of the monetary economics, we will discuss here the opening and operating of the bank accounts. Okay, so this is our second chapter of the third unit and the last chapter of our entire syllabus. Earlier we had covered the first and second, and we had seen after that the fourth unit, and now today we are actually discussing the earlier we had discussed the third unit's bank and customer relationship, and the one chapter is left out, that is the opening and operating of the bank accounts, and the interest rate portion in that particular chapter is also included, that we would see in this video. Okay, so we all know that the customer and the banker relationship develops when the customer opens an account and deals with the certain transactions. Okay, so there are the different types of the accounts: the saving account, current account, fixed deposit account, and the recurring deposit account. Via this type of the accounts, the bank actually gets the deposits which the bank utilizes for giving the loan. So in the earlier video we have discussed this aspect in the commercial bank chapter. Okay, commercial banking chapter, we and the first unit of this particular subject, we had discussed all these things. Okay, so we want to discuss these aspects in detail. Now we will discuss the important aspect, that is the general precautions for opening of an account. Okay, this is also not very important aspect, but let's see what is there in our syllabus. So the first one over there is the application form. So when individual would like to open an account, he has to fill the application form. The two types we can say, the manual or the physical form is available. Similarly, the online mode also the forms can be filled. Okay, so it depends to the bank. So the physical forms, if available, the application form is available, the applicant can fill that form. Similarly, the bank requires the specimen signature, and this specimen signature is basically some 2 or 3, depends according to the banks. Similarly, the letter of introduction, basically one of the bank's existing customers requirement is there that he will introduce the new customer. All these things are done basically just to stop the different types of the malpractices or the different types of the frauds which occur in the banking. Okay, so when the letter of introduction is used, so it's just to reduce the fraud. In that particular case, the existing customer of the bank actually introduced the new customer. Similarly, the interview, nowadays no such formality is done. An individual approaches to the bank, basically the account is open, so interview is not required. Accounts in cash, when the formalities are done, then the formalities are completed basically. Then the individual has to deposit the cash. Okay, so the bank prefer the cash rather than the checks. Okay, so the account is in the account, the cash is deposited. Mandate is given in writing. Similarly, the verification of the documents, the different documents which are actually submitted by the customer, these are basically what the at present, if you are talking Aadhaar card, similarly the address proof is required. So these things, identity proof as well as the address proof, these two things are required. Along with that, photos. And in case these are the case of the individual individual who is opening an account. Okay, but other documents requirement is also there in terms of the organization, like the joint stock company, the different types of the accounts are required, different types of the documents are required. Partnership firm, this different types of the documents are required. So the bank basically verify all these documents. Okay, similarly when the banks in the banks, the different types of the different individuals can be approaching the bank. Individuals, similarly the institution, the joint stock company, as well as the partnership firm. Then it is necessary that the bankers should be conversant in the provision of this type of the special acts which deals with all this type of the accounts. Okay, or all this type of the institutions. The passport size photographs are required, which are actually affixed to the form. Similarly, one passport photo is affixed to the passport. Okay, now the operation of the types of customers and the account holder. Who can operate the who are the customers, or who deals with the banks for opening the account? The minor, basically the minor is the person who is below of the 18 years of age. After 18 years of age, he or she becomes an adult. Okay, so the minor can also open the account, but the saving account of the minor can be opened rather than the current account. Okay, so the saving account of the minor can be opened. Along with that, the certain guardian signature is required, or the guardian account is also open. Along with the guardians, the account is open. Normally the guardian is under that case basically the mother rather than the father. Okay, so the second one is there, the partnership firm. What we know the partnership firm. So the in the partnership firm, minimum partners requirement is 2, maximum 20. Okay, and in case of the banking business, their maximum partners are 10. Okay, so the partnership deed is a document which is required for opening an account in the bank. Okay, so such documents are required. Similarly, the address as well as the age, address of the partners, their signatures, all this information is required while opening an account. Okay, of the partnership firm. Executors and the administrators. This is in the case of the account. This is in the case of a person who is making his will. Okay, in that case, the executor or the administrator is the person who is actually dealing with the transactions on behalf of the on behalf of rather on behalf we said. Basically, see, if a person becomes diseased, then the executor is the person who actually deals with the property of the will maker. Okay, testator. Okay, so executor and administrators. Similarly, the non-trading concerns, there are the clubs, similarly the NGOs who work, so their account can also be open. Lunatic. Okay, so basically the account of the lunatic is not open if lunacy is declared. If earlier the account is open, then it will be conducted. Okay, but once the lunacy is declared, then the bank requires the certain verification when the transactions is done by such lunatic person. Okay, joint Hindu family or Hindu undivided family. So in the case of the joint Hindu family or Hindu undivided family, basically there are the two main parties. One is the Karta and the other one is the co-partners. Okay, so basically the account is open on the name of the Karta. Okay, on the name of the Karta. In fact, one of the co-partners can also handle the account if the Karta is giving the permission for doing so. Okay, similarly the illiterate person account can also be open, but the thing is that when he is making the thumb impression, then the two 2 eyewitnesses are required. Joint account holder, when the account is jointly held by the 2 or more person, 2 or 3 person, so that is called the joint account holders. Joint stock companies account can also be opened, so there the memorandum of association is required. Similarly, the certificate of registration, certificate of incorporation. Certificate of registration or incorporation is the same thing. Certificate of commencement of business, memorandum of association, articles of association, all these documents are required in the case of the joint stock company, the board of the number of board of directors and others. Trustee can also work on behalf of the someone else, okay, someone else, or to which we can say in the case of the trustee, basically the account can be maintained. Similarly, the married woman account can also be opened in the bank, okay. So in case the liability of the married woman or married woman's husband is restricted to a certain extent. Drunkard, if the drunkard person, basically see, the bank cannot denies the account to be open of the drunkard, okay. Once the account is open and if he is doing the transactions, then the bank requires a certain eyewitness, okay, in case of the drunkard. Sole proprietorship concerns account can also be opened. Similarly, the cooperative societies and cooperative societies account can also be opened, okay. So these are the different types of the accounts, different types of the individuals who can operate the account. So if an account is to be closed, when the account can be closed? First one is there at the request of the customer. So if the customer is requesting for closing the account, then the bank actually closes the account. Similarly, the inoperative account, basically see what happens. Inoperative accounts, for a longer period of time the account is not operated, at that time also the bank actually can close the account, provided that the bank gives the notice for such closure of the account, okay. So at the instance of the banker can also accounts be closed, okay. When it happens, see, if a customer is having no balances, okay, and or less balances or insufficient balances, but still he many times draws the check on the bank, and his checks are actually dishonored many times, then also at the instance of the banker, the account of such person can be closed down. Similarly, the receipt of the notice of the customer's death. If the customer's death occurred and the bank comes to know about it, okay, so such person's deceased person's account is also closed. If the person becomes insane, okay, and such certificate of insanity is produced in the bank, then again the account is closed. Insolvency of the customer is also one of the reasons. Similarly, the receipt of the garnishing order and receiving the notice of the assignment. So in that case, basically the accounts can be closed, okay. Now we will see the demat account, but the demat account we will see in the next video lecture.